Verge TS Pro. One example of the exciting possibilities of electric motorcycles is the state-of-the-art Verge TS Pro. Starting at $29,900, it's a high-end computer for individuals who want nothing less than absolute performance. With its jaw-dropping 1,000 Newton-meters of torque and lightning-fast 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint time of just 3.5 seconds, the TS Pro is truly an unforgettable experience, not just a bike. The bike guarantees instant gratification in the form of both speed and the future. A design decision that reimagines motorcycle construction and boosts efficiency, the groundbreaking integrated rim motor is the brains of the Verge TS Pro. Riding quality is what really makes the Verge TS Pro stand out from the competition. Feeling the pavement under your wheels and the buzz of electric motors as you zip through city streets are key. The bond between rider and machine, the perfect fusion of enthusiasm and technology, is the central theme. Motoid 2, a revolutionary concept motorcycle. The Yamaha Motoid 2 challenges conventional wisdom about what is possible in the realm of human-machine interaction. The Motoid 2 continues the tradition started by its forerunner, by making the rider feel more like a companion and less like a passenger on a bike. Like a pet, this futuristic bike can identify its owner and react to their voice or movements thanks to its sophisticated robotics and clever technology. Yamaha has grand plans for the Motoid 2 that go beyond what a typical ride would offer. It brings a tailored user interface that makes the bike's exterior a responsive surface that encourages two-way communication. Traditional legacy riding, a jockey style with a novel knee hold, and the centaur style, which lets the rider stand up, freeing the upper body for a one-of-a-kind riding sensation, are the three levels of riding postures that riders can enjoy. String bike. The string bike is a novel bicycle that utilizes an external chainless rope and pulley driving system, rather than the conventional chain and sprockets that are used in bicycles. The Hungarian string bike KFT was the company that brought this forward-thinking design to the market. In 2010, they produced models that featured a 19-speed transmission. This system is designed to replace the spherical sprockets that are typically seen on chain-driven bicycles, with rocker arms that are attached to each side of the bicycle. Changing gears does not cause the drive to slip, and the gearing can be altered even when the bicycle is in a nearly motionless position. Two Dyneema ropes have been utilized, and they have been coupled to pulleys on swinging lever and cam systems at various points. In the world of riding, the string bike stands out as a result of its one-of-a-kind design, which provides a ride that is both smooth and efficient. Air1 Personal eVTOL. The Air1 is a vertical takeoff and landing electric aircraft that is designed for individual consumer ownership. The aircraft is equipped with a technology known as fly-by-intent, which allows it to keep a safe flight envelope and reduce the risk of potentially hazardous situations. Simply pointing the aircraft in the direction of flight that is desired is all that is required of the user, and the aircraft will continue to maintain its speed, altitude, and direction. In addition to providing considerable space for luggage and personal things, it has a maximum payload capacity of 250 kilograms, which is equivalent to 550 pounds. You can charge the Air1 at home with an adapter that is already installed, or you can charge it at public electric vehicle rapid DC charging stations with a normal CCS connector. It has a revolutionary folding mechanism that allows a single person to fold the wings in about 5 minutes. Lexus Hoverboard. An innovative product that combines cutting-edge technology with stylish design, the Lexus Hoverboard was introduced to the public in 2015. Hoverboards use magnetic levitation to float above the ground by means of a magnetic track and superconductors cooled by liquid nitrogen. This cutting-edge technology makes for a smooth and fantastical journey, like something out of a science fiction novel. With its bamboo deck and gracefully sculpted body, the hoverboard reflects the elegance and refinement of Lexus. The Lexus Hoverboard is a huge step forward in personal transportation technology, even if it's not practical for everyday usage and requires certain circumstances to operate. It exemplifies Lexus's dedication to pushing the limits of possibility and innovation. The development process showcases the brand's commitment to excellence and functionality through rigorous testing and improvement. Space Perspective Capsule. The Space Perspective Capsule, which is sometimes referred to as Spaceship Neptune, is a one-of-a-kind spaceship that was developed specifically for the purpose of space tourism. Because it is propelled by a space balloon that is powered by renewable hydrogen, it is a method of traveling to space that does not produce any carbon emissions. The capsule provides a journey that lasts for 6 hours and includes everything from meals to beverages. All passengers who are medically able to fly with a commercial airline are able to participate in the experience because it ascends at a gentle pace of 12 miles per hour. A Wi-Fi connection, 9 reclining seats, panoramic windows that measure 360 degrees, and a refreshment bar are some of the amenities that are included in the roomy capsule. It is intended to deliver a journey to the edge of space that is both comfortable and filled with remarkable experiences. Monocab Owl. Utilizing gyro-stabilized monorail systems for individual public transportation on obsolete railway lines is the goal of the research project known as Monocab Owl, which aims to improve mobility in rural areas. The Oberl University of Applied Sciences and Arts, the Bielefeld University of Applied Sciences, the Fraunhofer IOSB INA, and the Landeseisenbahn Lippe are all working together on this project by collaborating. In addition to being self-driving and powered by electricity, the monocab vehicles have the capacity to transport between 4 and 6 passengers. Both of them are able to pass each other in opposing directions because they operate on a single rail. When compared to public transit, these vehicles may be ordered through an app in the same manner as taxis, making them a more flexible and individual option. The objective of the project is to improve the conditions of mobility justice and the quality of life in rural communities. MT-02 Electric Handbike. Wheelchair attachments like the MT-02 Electric Handbike are meant to make movement easier for wheelchair users. The majority of manual wheelchairs are able to be connected to it in a quick and simple manner. An intelligent controller with cruise control and reverse function, a powerful 350-watt brushless hub motor, and a foldable handlebar for ease storage and transit are some of the features that are included in this rider's bicycle. Additionally, the handbike features an adjustable foot support that allows for a tailored level of comfort, as well as an LCD display that displays information such as speed, battery condition, distance, and more. By itself, the lightweight design weighs 13 kilograms. It has a charging period of between 5 and 6 hours and a range of up to 50 kilometers. People who use manual wheelchairs will find that this technology is a game changer because it makes their daily lives easier and more fun. Festos Bionic B. Festos Bionic B is a flying device that is both extremely lightweight and self-sufficient, and it has the ability to run as a swarm. With a length of 22 centimeters and a wingspan of 24 centimeters, it is the smallest flying item that has been built by the Bionic Learning Network. It weighs approximately 34 grams. Within the body of the bee is the mechanism that beats the wings, the technology that allows for communication, and the control components that allow for the change of the wing shape. The frequency of its wing beats ranges from 15 to 20 Hz when it is flying. It is possible to precisely modify the wing beat frequency for a variety of maneuvers because of the intelligent interaction that occurs between the motors and the mechanics. Through the utilization of ultra-wideband technology, the Bionic Bee employs an indoor localization mechanism. Fluid Reality. The Future Interfaces Group at Carnegie Mellon University is responsible for the development of a significant technological advancement known as fluid reality. A high-resolution, untethered haptic glove that offers a vivid sense of touch in virtual environments is at the heart of this unique product. Your fingertips will be able to experience high-resolution touch thanks to the glove's construction, which features 160 dynamic haptic feedback actuators. This technique employs electro-osmotic pump arrays in order to generate finger pad arrays that change shape. In the event that the bubble is activated, The fluid that is contained within each bubble-like pixel will fill and extend the bubble. In addition to being completely wireless and lightweight, the glove has the potential to reach consumer pricing points, provided that it is produced in volume. There are uses for this technology that go beyond virtual reality and wearables. Lunar Cruiser. The Lunar Cruiser is a pressurized lunar rover that is being developed jointly by Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, and Toyota. Its purpose is to provide astronauts with the ability to drive on the surface of the Moon. The Lunar Cruiser is a component of the Artemis program at NASA, and it will make it possible for astronaut crews to embark on lunar journeys that can last for up to 45 days. Fuel cell electric vehicle technologies are utilized by the rover, which aspires to achieve high mobility in order to provide astronauts with the opportunity to explore in a secure and comfortable manner. In order to resist the terrible conditions that the Moon presents, such as low gravity, extreme temperatures, vacuum, powerful radiation. Additionally, the technologies that are created for the Lunar Cruiser will be utilized to improve cars on Earth and contribute to the development of a civilization that is more sustainable. Esite. Esite is an innovative technology that serves as a wearable medical device designed to enhance the functional vision of individuals living with low vision or legal blindness. Developed by the Canadian-based company Esite Corp, the device is recognized for its ability to significantly improve the quality of life for those it assists. The Esite device is celebrated for its versatility and advanced design, making it the most sophisticated all-in-one device for people with visual impairment. It is engineered to integrate smoothly into the wearer's daily activities, offering the best visual acuity whether the user is stationary, reading, commuting. Furthermore, Esite is not just limited to personal use. It is also an integrated operation and maintenance and monitoring solution for enterprise customers. It enables centralized monitoring and management of enterprise IT and CT devices and systems. Sunflower Home Heliostat. An extra source of natural light can be achieved with the help of the Sunflower Home Heliostat, a solar-powered apparatus that aims to reflect sunlight onto a specific target. This is the first heliostat that homes can afford. The gadget has a microcontroller, motion servos, and solar-powered sun sensors. Throughout the day, it adapts to the user's chosen location by following the sun's movement. The reflective surface can deflect 50,000 lumens of sunlight and has an area of 5.38 square feet. Installing it couldn't be easier, and you won't even need an internet connection. In addition to lighting, it has several other uses, such as illuminating damp areas, melting snow or ice, drying damp clothing on a line, or raking dirt from flower beds. The Sunflower Home Heliostat, without the stand, costs $399. As a novel approach to natural light, it enhances the aesthetic value of any building. DLR Highlex. Barilla is a prominent pasta producer, and the DLR Highlex project is a worldwide collaboration that aims to create a sustainable energy supply system for them. Barilla will be able to make and dry pasta in a more environmentally friendly way thanks to the technology that was created by professionals in the scientific and industrial fields. A solar tower power plant is the basis of the pilot system. At its peak, the tower concentrates the sun's beams onto a single point using around 500 adjustable mirrors, or heliostats. Particles of ceramic are heated by the sun energy, which is safe for both people and the environment, inexpensive, and capable of withstanding higher temperatures. Keeping the heated particles in big insulated tanks allows for significantly less expensive energy storage than other approaches. Evening energy can be produced using this setup. The Barilla pasta plant in Foggia, Italy, is located close to the pilot system. Magnetic slime robot. Polyvinyl alcohol, borax, and neodymium magnet particles are the components that make up the magnetic slime robot, which is a self-healing soft robot. The viscoelastic properties of this substance, which was developed in collaboration with Professor Li Zhang of the Chinese University of Hong Kong, cause it to behave either as a liquid or as a solid depending on the force that is applied to it. This robot is able to maneuver through tight spaces, grip objects, and repair circuits that have been damaged. It is claimed that it might be utilized inside the human body to carry out duties such as retrieving things that have been eaten by accident. Despite the fact that it is called a robot, it is actually controlled by magnets and does not contain a robot. On the other hand, it is currently harmful to people to consume because it releases harmful neodymium particles into the environment.